Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So childrens, in this video I'm going to explain you about the prime numbers, co-prime numbers, composite numbers as well as the prime factorization. So see here children, let us study the definition of prime numbers. A number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called the prime number. Okay, so let us take the example. So see here, I have taken 5. You may take 3 also. 3 also a prime number. So this 5 is not present in any numbers table. It is present only in the 1 as well as the number itself. The factors are 1 and that number itself, means it is called as a prime number. So see here 7 also having two factors, that is 1 and 7 only. 11 is 1 and 11. 13 is 1 and 13. So these are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? The numbers which are having the factors 1 and the number itself is called as a prime numbers. Second one is composite numbers. So the composite numbers means what? Numbers which have more than two factors are called as a composite numbers. So see here 10. So 1 is a common factor of all numbers. So second one, see 10 is present in the 2's table. Otherwise you have to apply the divisibility rules here. Okay. 0 is present, means it is divisible by 2. Then it is multiple of 2. Then again 10 is present in the 5's table as well as 10 is present in the 10's table also. So composite numbers means what? The number is having factors more than 2. That is 1 and the number itself is a factors. Then again it is having more than 2 factors. Okay. So 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. Second one is 48. So see here 1 is a factor of 48. Then again it is divisible by 2. Then again it is 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is also divisible by 3. Then it is also divisible by 4. Then it is present in the 6th table also. Then it is present in the 8th table also. Then it is present in the 12th table. Then it is present in the 24th table and 48. So see here, so many factors are there of 48. Then take the next number, that is 60. 1 is a common. Then it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 6 and so on, as well as the 60 is divisible by 60 also. So the numbers which are having more than two factors is called as a composite numbers. Then the next one is a prime factorization. So prime factorization means what? Every composite number can be expressed as the product of its factor. When all the factors are prime, it is called as a prime factorization. So what we have to do here? We have to factorize the given number. The number should be the composite number and we have to do the factorization till it become to the prime number. Okay. So let us take one example. See here 36 I have taken. So 36 can be written as 2 into 18. Then it is also 18 is converted into 2 into 9. Then remain 2 into 2 same. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So see here the numbers which are coming at the last, these all are the prime numbers. Means what? They don't have more than two factors. That is 2 is having factor 1 and 2 and 3 is having factor 1 and 3. So we can write this 36 as 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Or we can do this by drawing the factor trees. So whatever number is given, you have to write down in a small circle, that is 36. So start the factorization. First make the two factors, that is first factor is 2 into 18. Then 2 is a prime number, so just we can factorize this 18. It will become 2 into 9. So again 2 is a prime number, then 3 into 3. This is a factor tree and this is a prime factorization. These are the two types of factorization. So always start from the smallest factor. Okay, smallest factorization. You have to do the start with the smallest prime factor. Okay, then let us take one more example. This is 120. So write down 120 in a circle. It is 120. Do the factorization. It will become 2 into 60. This 60 can be written as 2 into 30. This 30 can be written as 2 into 15. Again this 15 you have to factorize, that is 3 into 5. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5 all are the prime factors. So 120 can be written as 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore 120 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. So I hope you get this point. Let us go to the next point, that is co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have no common factor other than 1 are called as a co-prime numbers. So what do you mean by the co-prime numbers here? Co-prime numbers means the numbers which do not have common factor other than 1. So let us take one example here. Consider the number consider the number 18 and 19. So first take down the factors of 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. This is the factorization of 18 and the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, then 18 itself. Okay, then take down the 19's factors, that is 1 and 19, as 19 is a prime number. So find out the common here. Only 1 is common there. Therefore 18 and 19 having only one common factor and it is called as a co-prime numbers. Therefore 18 and 19 are co-prime numbers. So I hope you understood this part. In next video we will solve the exercise 3.2. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.